Hey, what's up guys? Beef here with Tactical Baby Gear, and this is Cruiser XL. This is the big brother to the Cruiser. This is the four-seater. There's a lot of really cool things to know about this. I'll talk about the specs and the features first, and then I'm going to show you some of the things that makes Cruiser really cool, and we'll make a few comparisons between Cruiser XL and Cruiser along the way so that you know the differences between the two. First thing to note, so this is a TBG limited edition collaboration that we have done with Veer once again. That means it's going to come in our black camo sidewalls with the MOLLE webbing on the sides. You can use that webbing to attach other MOLLE pouches and accessories such as this white pouch, or you can hook things with the carabiners to it. Otherwise, it's a really cool aesthetic and styling to the Cruiser. This is a similar item as Cruiser, so these are interchangeable with the regular Cruiser. So any of the other sidewalls, we've got black sidewalls, we've got the black camo sidewalls. You can switch out with Veer's sidewalls as well. So that is a common item across Cruiser and Cruiser XL that are interchangeable. A lot of other things are not, and we'll touch on that here in just a minute. So what they did with Cruiser XL is extended the frame by 4 inches, and they got rid of the little cubby down here inside of the seat compartment. So that allows it to have 4 full seat belts. The snack tray is a little bit wider, so that's not cross compatible, but it is the same style and the same concept there. It's completely removable. There is still a full line of accessories for Cruiser XL, not the same compatibility with Cruiser. So it's going to have its own line of accessories like the car seat adapters, the nap system, the canopy, the basket. All of those accessories are going to be specific to XL because of the additional width. The only other dimensional change is the width of the handle that is now a little bit wider as well. Okay, so what makes Cruiser XL so great? It is a completely aluminum welded frame. The functionality of it is incredible. So there's handles on the back of the seats that when you pull them up and push these down, the sidewalls will then flip down and the handle unlocks and folds down just like this, and then it lays completely flat, so it's easy to put in the back of the car. It stands up on its own just like this, so if you need to store it along the edge of the garage or in a closet or something like that, it does that very, very well. And then if you need to fold it down any smaller than this, the wheels are removable very easily. So just when you assemble it, you'll see this as well, but there's a button here on top and the front wheels are removable just like this. And then the same thing in the back. You just press this button in the center of the wheel and the wheel is removable just like that. Now unfolding it is just as easy. You unlock the handle, it locks into that position, and then you lift these up and clip the seat backs into position just like that, and you're ready to go. Now, because the handle locks in this position, it gives you a lot of flexibility in how you use it. So with it locked in this position, you can walk along the side of it, which is how I typically use the wagon, or you can push it like a stroller. You can also unlock it and pull it like a wagon. So depending on the type of terrain or how you're using it, you have a lot of options there. This handle is also height adjustable, so you can just unlock the little sleeve there, and this goes up and down. So depending on whatever's best for you, you can adjust that. And then just below that are some cup holder mounts, and these 2 cup holders are included, and you can stick your drinks right there. And then right here at the bottom of the handle is the foot brake. This is a patented foot brake, which is part of the reason we are able to classify this as a stroller and have your car seats attached to it. But it's very easy to operate. You just use your toe to kick this in and unlock it, and then just push it down with your foot like this to lock it. Now going back to the inside here for just a second, the inside of the sidewalls, there are 6 mesh pockets located throughout. So any of those types of snacks or toys and things that you guys collect along the way as kids do, there's an easy place to store them and keep them up off the ground and out of the way there. So very beneficial to have those. Now just to reiterate all the accessories and that sort of stuff again, this thing is such a cool platform because of how modular it is and how many different accessories are available for it, and it's sort of a la carte. You can really build this thing out to be as much or as little as you want or need it to be based on sort of the phase of life of your kids and where you're at and the activities you're doing. Again, you can add a canopy on one side or both sides. They're retractable. You can put a nap system in it and take them to the pool and the beach, and they can nap in this, or at the mall, or whatever the case might be. You can add the car seat adapters on either side. They can face either direction. You can add the basket and put, you know, the tote bag in there, or a small cooler in the basket. Again, the practicality comes from, you know, the incredible engineering, how modular it is, and how much you can build it out if you really want to. All right, guys, that's it for Cruiser XL. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email to support@tacticalbabygear.com.